Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing the device. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug in or have at least 50% battery, because updates can stall on low power. Once done, open App Gallery and make sure you're signed into your Huawei ID so updates sync correctly. Next, free roughly 200 plus MB of storage and backup app data. This prevents failed installs. Now that those essentials are done, move straight to checking the Updates tab in App Gallery to see available app and system updates. You should now run the actual updates. In App Gallery, tap Me, then Updates to scan for available app and system patches. Tap Update for single apps or Update All to process multiple items. Installs run faster on Wi-Fi. While updating, allow background installs and accept any permission prompts so features keep working. If an app lacks App Gallery updates, consider manual install from a trusted source or research compatibility. Always check required permissions before installing. Finally, enable auto update for apps you trust to stay current automatically. Finish by rebooting the phone so updated components initialize cleanly, then verify versions in Settings, right arrow apps to confirm success. If an update fails or an app misbehaves, clear App Gallery cache and data, then try updating again. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure your Huawei ID is active, network is stable, and any pending system updates are applied. These often block app installs. If problems persist, note the error code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.